Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. A first video of April here. So it is finally April, spring has sprung, warming up. Nice warm day outside today, got out for a bit of a walk. And the film simulation, this is my favorite film simulation. So this is 3 videos in a row I'm using the Leica-Like Film Simulation. If this is your first time watching and you haven't checked out this film simulation and you have a Fuji camera, definitely check this one out. I will link it up above, but also down in the video description so you can check out that awesome film simulation by Mark G. Adams, UK photographer. So Mark, as always, thanks for sharing your film simulations. Mark has a whole bunch of these film simulations on his website, not just the one I've used, but there's a whole bunch. Check out some of the other videos I've done. He's got some great black and white film simulation as well, but check out his, I'll leave a link again in the description. Check out his website because there's a ton of film simulations you can give a try there. So thanks, Mark. Hopefully you like these photos. I'm trying to work into my photography more people. It's obviously hard due to the current situation. A lot of things are still kind of closed here. Also, it is a long weekend. This is Good Friday, so not even more things are closed. But that's kind of my goal for the month of April, is to kind of work in some more people into my street photography. It can be tricky if it's a quiet morning, but hopefully you like these photos. As always, I've numbered the photos. Let me know what one you like down in the comments. It's always appreciated, any kind of constructive criticism. I always appreciate it. There's a few regulars that kind of comment on every video, so you know who you are, and I really appreciate that. Trying to work on things, so hopefully you find these photos helpful to kind of learn and a bit of inspiration to get outside. And now that the weather is getting nicer, get outside, go for a walk, take some photos. And if you have one that you want to share, leave a comment down below. If you post on Instagram or anything like that, post it down below. I always like to kind of see other people's work and share it that way. Thanks for watching. So don't forget, let me know down below what one you like the best. Leave a number, leave a comment, always appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, I share a lot of my photos on here and some Fuji tips and tricks and different things with the firmware updates. These photos were actually taken, I've updated my XT4 to the latest update. If you haven't updated your XT4, rumor is there's some autofocus improvements. I didn't really notice anything, but some people say that if you're doing portraits with the eye autofocus, that has improved a little bit. Let me know in the comments if you have that. If you've seen any difference, that's always kind of appreciated. That's all for the day. Hopefully you enjoyed the photos. Thanks for watching the channel. If you're not subscribed yet, as always, all that YouTube stuff, like, subscribe, follow along. Thanks to everybody who keeps watching, commenting, and we'll see you in the next video.